In this video, we will discuss about solving number sentences using combined operations of addition and subtraction. A number sentence can have combined operations of addition and subtraction. This kind of number sentence is solved from left to right. But if there are parentheses, do the operation inside them first. Okay. Let's have examples. Example 1. What is the result of the number sentence 12 plus 15 minus 2? So we have two operations here, addition and subtraction. So in solving this number sentence, we are going to solve starting from left side to the right side. Meaning, we are going to add 12 and 15 first, and their sum is subtracted by 2. So what is 12 plus 15? Okay, we have here 12 plus 15, that is 2 plus 5, 7, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So 12 and 15 is equal to 27. So the sum of 12 and 15 is 27. Minus 2, that is, so we're going to subtract 2 from 27. So we have 27 minus 2, that is, so 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. And bring down the next digit. So 27 minus 2 is equal to 25. Therefore, the answer for this number sentence is 25. Okay. Take note that it is important to follow the order of operations for us to come up with the correct answer. Okay. Example 2. 28 minus 4 plus 8. So first, we are going to find the difference of 28 and 4. So what is 28 minus 4? So we're going to solve. 28 minus 4, that is, so 8 minus 4, that is 4, and bring down 2. Okay, 28 minus 4 is 24. So we have here 24, and then add 8. So what is 24 plus 8? So 8 plus 4, that is 12. So bring down 2, carry 1 to the next place value, to the 10th place. Next, 2 plus the carry 1, that is equal to 3. So therefore, the answer is 32. 28 minus 4 plus 8 equals 32. Okay. Example 3. 15 plus 1 minus 2 plus 3. Now, in this case, there's an operation inside the parentheses symbol. So this is the parentheses symbol. So there's an operation inside the parentheses symbol. So we are going to solve first the operation inside the parentheses. So we have, just copy 15 plus 1 minus, okay, we are going to solve first the operation inside the parentheses. 2 plus 3, that is 5. Okay. So we now have 15 plus 1 minus 5. Next, do the operation from left to the right side. That is 15 plus 1 is 16. Minus 5, what will be the result? 16 minus 5, okay, let us solve. 16 minus 5 equals, so 6 minus 5, that is 1, and bring down the next digit. So the answer for this number sentence is 11. Okay, example 4, this is a problem solving involving combined operations of addition and subtraction. So a sleeper company donated 375 pairs of sleepers. This will be given to the children who live in 3 barangays. The volunteers gave 128 pairs of sleepers to Barangay A and 134 pairs of sleepers to Barangay B. How many pairs of sleepers did they give to Barangay C? So in this problem, we are going to identify first what is being asked. So what is asked in the problem? That is, okay, the number of pairs of sleepers that the company give to Barangay C. Okay, so we are going to solve for the number of pairs of sleepers that the company give to Barangay C. Now, what are given? Okay, so we are going to identify the given numbers. So, first, given the total number of pairs of sleepers. So there are how many pairs of sleepers that the company will donate? That is 375 pairs. And they gave 128 pairs of sleepers to Barangay A. So for Barangay A, that is 128 pairs of sleepers. And to Barangay B, that is 134 pairs of sleepers. Now we are going to solve for the Barangay C. So next, what operations should be used? So to solve for the number of sleepers for Barangay C, we are going to use addition and subtraction. So we are going to add the number of sleepers of Barangay A and B, and then the result will be subtracted from the total pairs of sleepers. Okay, now what will be the number sentence? So we have the total number of sleepers, that is 375, minus the pairs of sleepers given to Barangay A, that is 128, plus, so we can enclose them with parentheses, plus the number of, or the pairs of sleepers given to Barangay B, that is 134. So equals n. And lastly, we are going to solve the number sentence. So we have 375 minus 128 plus 134. Okay, first step is we are going to add the numbers inside the parentheses. So we have 128 plus 134. That is 8 plus 4, 12. So bring down 2, carry 1. 2 plus 3, that is 5, plus the carry 1, that is equal to 6. And lastly, add the digits in the hundreds place. 1 plus 1, that is 2. Okay. So, we now have 375 minus 262. And that is, the result will be the number of pairs of sleepers given to Barangay C. So, what is 375 minus 262? That is 5 minus 2, 3, 7 minus 6, 1, and 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay. Therefore, the number of pairs of sleepers given to Barangay C is 113. This is for Barangay C. So this is now the final answer for this problem. So there are 113 pairs of sleepers for Barangay C.